Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acquiesce. 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 Acquiesce is a verb that means to accept, comply, or agree with something, often reluctantly or without protest. It implies giving in to a situation or request without expressing strong opposition. Here are some examples. Example number 1. In a healthy relationship, partners often have to acquiesce to each other's preferences to find common ground. Why acquiesce is used in example number 1. Acquiesce illustrates the idea of compromise and mutual agreement. Example number 2. Parenting involves a lot of negotiation, as parents must sometimes acquiesce to their children's demands. Why acquiesce is used in example number 2. Acquiesce signifies the act of yielding to children's wishes. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.